Let's build our vocabulary together. We'll learn new words and practice using them in sentences. It's like playing with building blocks, but with words. Nest. Nest. Birds build nests in trees. Birds build nests in trees. Octopus. Octopus. The octopus has 8 arms. The octopus has 8 arms. Uniform. Uniform. I wear a uniform to school. I wear a uniform to school. Hammock. Hammock. I relax in the hammock. I relax in the hammock. Tent. Tent. We slept in a tent while camping. We slept in a tent while camping. Violin. Violin. Anna is learning to play the violin. Anna is learning to play the violin. Quilt. Quilt. The quilt keeps me warm. The quilt keeps me warm. Fish. Fish. We have a fish tank at home. We have a fish tank at home. Vase. Vase. The vase is full of flowers. The vase is full of flowers. Rainbow. Rainbow. We saw a rainbow after the rain. We saw a rainbow after the rain. Giraffe. Giraffe. The giraffe has a long neck. The giraffe has a long neck. Kite. Kite. The kite flies high in the sky. The kite flies high in the sky. Owl. Owl. The owl hoots at night. The owl hoots at night. Apple. Apple. I eat an apple every day. I eat an apple every day. Umbrella. Umbrella. I use an umbrella when it rains. I use an umbrella when it rains. Zebra. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Zebras have black and white stripes. Yarn. Yarn. She knits with yarn. She knits with yarn. Eggplant. Eggplant. Mom cooked an eggplant dish. Mom cooked an eggplant dish. Tree. Tree. There is a tree in our backyard. There is a tree in our backyard. Ball. Ball. He plays with a ball in the park. He plays with a ball in the park. Cat. Cat. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. Dog. Dog. My dog loves to run. My dog loves to run. Egg. Egg. She fries an egg for breakfast. She fries an egg for breakfast. Hat. Hat. I wear a hat to protect from the sun. I wear a hat to protect from the sun. Ice. Ice. The drink is cold with ice. The drink is cold with ice. Juice. Juice. He drinks orange juice. He drinks orange juice. Lemon. Lemon. Lemons are sour. Lemons are sour. Nose. Nose. He pinches his nose. He pinches his nose. Piano. Piano. James plays the piano well. James plays the piano well. Queen. Queen. The queen lives in a castle. The queen lives in a castle. Volcano. Volcano. The volcano erupted last year. The volcano erupted last year. Sun. Sun. The sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly. Water. Water. I drink water every day. I drink water every day. Yogurt. Yogurt. She eats yogurt for a snack. She eats yogurt for a snack. Baby. Baby. The baby is crying. The baby is crying. Car. Car. He drives a red car. He drives a red car. Desk. Desk. She studies at her desk. She studies at her desk. Elephant. Elephant. The elephant is very big. The elephant is very big. Flower. Flower. Nia gave Mom flowers. Nia gave Mom flowers. Gift. Gift. He wrapped the gift. He wrapped the gift. House. House. We live in a big house. We live in a big house. Jacket. Jacket. I wear a jacket in winter. I wear a jacket in winter. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kangaroos hop on their legs. Kangaroos hop on their legs. Lamp. Lamp. There is a lamp on my table. There is a lamp on my table. Moon. Moon. The moon is full tonight. The moon is full tonight. Orange. Orange. Oranges are sweet and juicy. Oranges are sweet and juicy. Pencil. Pencil. I write with a pencil. I write with a pencil. Ring. Ring. She wears a gold ring. She wears a gold ring. Star. Star. Stars shine in the night sky. Stars shine in the night sky. Tiger. Tiger. Tigers are strong animals. Tigers are strong animals. Watch. Watch. He checks the time on his watch. He checks the time on his watch. Zoo. Zoo. We visited the zoo last weekend. We visited the zoo last weekend. Axe. Axe. He chops wood with an axe. He chops wood with an axe. Bee. Bee. Bees make honey. Bees make honey. Duck. 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 Ducks swim in the pond. Ducks swim in the pond. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.